Hi guys, this is me with Cory, with Magic, and this is my bracelet. Cory gave it to me, and another one, and this one, bracelet with rubber bands. Wait, I'm gonna fix. I'm cute. So cute, guys. Guys, look, it's so cute. I'm gonna show you guys something. I got just bought ASM because this is on May 11th. My cousin Portia is her birthday today. So I bought this. Look, guys. This is the item you can get. You can get Squirtle, Mewtwo, Scorbunny, and Pikachu, Eevee, Gengar. First, I want to get Gengar, but no, I didn't get him. I want him so bad. Gengar. Have this Mewtwo change face. He just changed face and have a little tail. You can move with it. And there's the little Pokeball. Pokeball. And now, guys, look. You just open the Pokeball. And done. It's the perfect size. Pokeball, go! Pokeball, go! I got a new tool. Gigantamax. Gigantamax. Let's go! Oh! New tool. Next. I got 3. Hehe. I didn't get Gengar. That's okay. Now I got Eevee. Eevee, you need to build the ears because the ear is so big it cannot fit inside of the Pokeball with the ears. So you cannot actually, Pikachu is so cute. It's gonna fit in the ball. Look, guys. It's not gonna fit. It's so sad. I'm a solution. Take my ears off. Don't worry, guys. It can put it back on because it's just built like that. Because like this. Look. Wait, I'm gonna show you guys. Like this, look. Ta-da! And you build a right ball.
Yan I did.
Ito.
Yan I did.
Ito yung Pokemon. Guys, yung pinsan ko. At si Eevee. Pokeball. And last but not least, Scorbunny. So cute. Scorbunny. Chan. Hi. Naalala. Chikorito. Berda. Me. That's all. Now, this is my partners. Come on now. Ay! Ang dami na hulog. Ay! Ay! Ah! Chan. Hi, Pokemon. Choose your partner. Choose your partner. Kuling choose your partner. Saan?
You.
Kalani. Tito, come here. Let's play. Let's play something. Choose your partners, Karari. Just play. It's not gonna keep.
Pick it up.
I'm gonna choose this one.
I'm gonna choose this one.
Okay. We should dodge poor bunny.
Oh, that's sad.
I'm gonna switch. Okay. Let's open them. 3, 2, 1. What is it? Show to the camera. Let's move it a little bit here in the camera. Over here. Ta-da! You need to build your EV. I'm gonna...
Ako na.
Hindi mo sasabihin. Ayoko niyan.
Ako na.
This is my Scorbunny. Scorbunny is a fighting and a fire type. And yours is a normal type. Eevee. Scorbunny. Score. Double kick. Okay, let's put them back in the... Let's make it the home. Curry, look. Is the bed.
Hehe.
Ah! Tanggalin mo yung ears kaya tinanggal nila.
I guess you're looking.
Okay na. Let's go. Choose a partner again. Pick one. But close your eyes. Pick one.
This one.
And me, this one. This one is mine.
Wait a minute. You're changing.
No.
You're lying.
Ay! Si Mewtwo! The rarest Pokemon in the world.
Let me see.
Nakauwi mo lang kanina.
Sa akin to. Yabuchan! Hi! Nani Yaski!
Look guys. Chokomito. Ikine ka na. Nata. Kita. Hi. Nani na.
Stop! You are so
Nani
embarrassing. Let's put them under home. Newton is so cute. Wait.
Wait.
Wait, give me that. I'm Nurse Joy. Pretend this your Pokemon got hurt. I'm Nurse Joy. Hi. There's the Pokemon Center. I can heal your Pokemons.
Oh, thanks. Here.
Thank you. And let's go.
Help!
Let's fix them. Scorban, let's fix you. There's a change. Let's kill you. It's all better now. Gonna return. Bye. Wait, there's Joy is working. Go outside.
Kala ko kakauwi ko lang.
Eh, napacheck up na ako.
Yun
Ah.
naman yung video na yan, oh.
At buburahin naman eh. Buburahin ko naman.
Ang dami! Ang dami niyang binidyo.
Wala. Wait lang.